Hey, how are you guys doing? I'm Christian here, aka Sleep Money Profit, and today we're going to be talking about exactly how you can make a trading account with PlexyTrade.
I am Christian exclusive.
Right now we're on my.plexytrade.com, and I'm going to be showing you guys how to make an account. And if you're new here, go ahead and subscribe and hit the bell notification so that way you can get notified when I upload a video. I upload a lot of videos based on how you can improve your life, and not only just that, but also videos on investments, business, and just mindset in general. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get straight into this video. So right now we're on the PlexyTrade homepage. This is the first thing that's going to pop up if you're on a mobile browser, and it's going to ask you to choose an account. So we have the option to make a demo and a live account right now. And also they have a little message box at the bottom just in case you have any questions. They'll respond to you in a timely manner as well. We're going to be making a live account today for this example. I know a lot of you want to get active in the trading space. Maybe you're a part of my program. Maybe you're just someone online just looking to trade and you heard about PlexyTrade, or maybe you're looking for a broker. That's what we're going to do today. We're going to make a live account. So I'm going to go ahead and click the live account option. And once you click the live account option, it's going to bring you to a screen like this. And there's 3 big steps that you're going to have to take to make this trading account. It's not very hard. It's actually very simple. Probably only take you about maybe max 10 minutes at the max. Just depends on how fast you move. So step 1 is personal information. So they have the option for you to pick individual or company. Now, if you're doing this for a company, or maybe your company, you want to choose company, but most of you guys are going to choose individual. So after you choose individual, even though it's already selected, so I'm not going to have to choose it, first thing is going to be first name, last name, country of residence, phone number, email address, and then you're going to create a password for the account. So I'm going to go ahead and type in my name, Christian, last name Thomas. And by the way, if you live in the United States, I don't think there's an option on here for it. So what we're going to have to do is pick other. Let me just make sure. Yeah, they don't have the, they have United States minor outline line. So if you're in the United States, just choose other. If you can't find United States, that's why. If you're in a different country, obviously choose your country. My dialing code is going to be 1 because I'm in the United States. And then I'm going to go ahead and put my phone number in there, email address, password, and then confirm new password. So once you fill the phone number, email address, password, I'm not going to let y'all see that. I'm going to go ahead and skip to the next step. You can move to step number 2, and we're going to be going over that. So if you need to pause the video, fill this out, and then come back to the video, you could do so. I'm going to go ahead and fill this information out. Okay, so now we're on step 2 for creating a live account, which is just personal and address information. So what it's going to ask you on this screen is your gender. I'm a male. If you don't want to identify, you just pick other. Year, month, and day, which has to do with your birthday, your address, the town that you live in, the state that you live in, and the zip code. So once again, I don't want you guys to see my personal information and address. So just fill out this screen. If you want to pause it while you fill this out, you can go ahead and do that. I'm going to fill this out, and then we're going to move to step 3, which is trading account information. So I'm going to go ahead and fill this out. All right, so now we're on step 3 for making a live account, trading account info. So right now you can choose USD or the Euro. I'm in the United States, so I'm going to choose USD. This is for wallet currency. It's also going to let you choose the platform that you want to be trading with. There's a few different platforms: MT4, MetaTrader 4, MT5, MetaTrader 5, and PAM. Okay, I'm going to be using MT4. I've been using MT4, so I just like to stick with MT4. There's nothing wrong with any of the other ones, especially MT5. I'm going to choose MT4. Now, your account currency is going to be for the account. So your wallet currency is basically what your wallet worth is going to be. So it's going to be in US dollars. Your account currency is going to be the same way. So I'm going to choose USD. Now, for example, if your wallet, like if you're in Europe or Australia or something like that, and you want to use the euro, you go ahead and, or not Australia because they use Aussies, but anyway, if you're in Europe, you can go ahead and use your EUR, and then your account currency can still be USD. But I'm going to have USD for both because I'm in the United States. Trading account type, we're going to go with micro. And also leverage, we're going to go with 1 to 1,000. Now there's a 1 to 2,000 option here. If you know how to trade, you might as well use 1 to 2,000. I'm going to use 1 to 2,000. Would you like to receive the cash bonus? Now, guys, if you are in a platform, I do not recommend using the cash bonus because that's basically them handing you money. And, you know, there's a lot of little regulations and stuff with that. So I don't even mess with that. I just use my own. So we're not going to do the bonus. We're going to make sure that we have read the privacy policy. If you want to take time to read that and the terms and conditions, which you should, you can do that. I'm just going to check the boxes. And would you like to receive company news, products, and updates and promotions? I'm also going to check that box because this broker is not United States. So just in case, maybe let's say you don't want to take international calls or whatever, they'll be able to email you. And I'm pretty sure they'll be able to email you regardless of whether you check that box or not. But just to be safe, I'm going to make sure that I check that box, okay? So then we press submit and it's going to load. And then guess what? You're almost done. You're almost done. What it's going to have you do is it's going to have you verify your email. So as it says right here, an email with a validation code was sent to your registered email address. To complete your registration, please verify your email address by adding the 6-digit code below. They just want to make sure you're a real person, not putting in a random email address. So go ahead and check your email. If you are on this step, if you're just watching the video, go ahead and watch it through so you can understand what's going on. But all you have to do is go to your email, check your spam if you don't see it. You can always refresh the page. That's usually what you have to do to see the email. So I'm going to go ahead and check my email and put the code in, and then we'll be right back. All right, so my code said 758. Okay, sometimes when you click it, it doesn't actually go to the next box. So make sure you're paying attention. 758705. Then you can press confirm email. What it's going to do is make sure that you typed in the right code. And then boom, it's going to take you to your dashboard. So right now we're on the dashboard. As you can see, we just made this account. So the wallet balance is 0. Deposits 0. Withdraw 0. But as you can see, it's very easy to navigate and find out what you want to do. You can get your wallet balance right here. You can get your deposits right here. You can press this plus button and press deposit. And then when you have some money there, you made some money, you can press withdraw. And then you can withdraw. And there's also video courses showing you how to navigate the website. That's actually what this video is for. So I just saved you some time. So if that's helpful to you, go ahead and like, subscribe, and comment on the video what you want me to post, because I do take ideas from people. If people want me to do something or a video on something or a specific topic on trading or maybe just even mindset or business in general, you can drop a comment. Or if this video helped you, you can say, thanks, this helped a lot. Anything is welcome in the comment section. Also, you got transactions, so it'll show you like what you withdrawed, what you deposited. You got your settings, so you can change your settings, of course. And this is where you're actually going to create the account right here. So platform, MT4, you would go to live, create an account. Now, as you can see, I already have an account here, but if you wanted to make another account, because some people like to have, you know, multiple trading accounts, like some people might want to trade Forex on one account. Some people might want to trade crypto on one account. Some people might want to trade indices or commodities on a different account. So I actually recommend having different accounts for different trades. Like crypto is a much more faster moving thing depending on your lot size than Forex. And by the way, if this sounds foreign to you, like you don't know what lot size is or any of that stuff, not only do I have videos on YouTube, free videos that you can actually look at, but if you actually look in the description, it's a free community, a free group that you can actually join and look at things. And if you actually want me to mentorship or help you, you can just go in the description box and click the link, and I'll be able to help you with whatever you need. So without further ado, hold on. Actually, let me make sure. Okay, cool. Without further ado, this is I'm Christian, aka Sleep Money Profit, and we're actually also quick note to mention. At the top is going to say upload documents for account approval. So in order for your account to actually get approved, you're going to have to upload some documents like driver's license, most likely mail, like mail to prove your address, if that makes sense, to prove that you actually live at that address. And if you can't find one with your name on it, then you're probably going to have to email them, because they're going to try to find out why your name isn't on it. But they're usually pretty somewhat lenient about it, as long as you can prove that you actually live at that address. Without further ado, if you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section. If there's any ideas you want to drop to me, just let me know there as well. And if this video helped you, please like and subscribe and hit the bell notification so you can actually get notified when I upload a video that might be helpful to you. And without further ado, this is I Am Christian, aka Sleep Money Profit, and I'm tapping out. I be turned up, I get my whole city lit. Say I won't make it look like I already did. Freestyle challenge, you know I created it. Bitcoin 9K, you know I traded it. Making excuses, that's why you're not making it. Making excuses, no, I'm never making it. Some people say that they're real, but they're faking it. Faking is not in me, I gotta keep it real. Tell me what's up, I already know the deal. I know how you feel. Sometimes I'm mad, but mostly I am chill. Yeah, I know the real. Like I'm Dr. Phil. Trader, yeah, for real. Been up in that field. 2019 was a start, I'm running still. Super Saiyan in the paint, like I'm on it. They hating me for real. I already know. And if you don't have any haters, well, then where'd you really go? Nowhere. It doesn't matter what they're saying. I promise it really don't. Not at all. You might have some demons you're fighting, and not even really know. You can have some go get the bag, and then that will let them know. I didn't try that hard, for real. I ain't write nothing. I was just talking. But if you actually participated in that freestyle, let me know something. Put it in the comments. Anyway, see y'all later.